Hello, we bring to your attention a project on the topic, ultrasonic sprayers. The idea of our development is a device based on the ultrasonic method of spraying in a thin layer, which is designed to provide the necessary parameters required in modern automated mechatronic systems. Nowadays, there are many technological processes that require the creation of modern automated mechatronic systems. A significant number of them use liquid aerosol. This is, first of all, a wide range of technological processes in mechanical engineering, instrument making, chemical industry, medicine and agriculture. For example, in the food industry and sausage production, the technological process requires constant humidification of the product. In this case, the desired humidity is achieved when the dispersion of the aerosol saturating the thermal chamber is within 10.30 microns. In medical instrumentation, when creating, for example, chambers of artificial microclimate for the care of the sick and the weak, there is a need to saturate the closed volume with an aerosol of drugs with a dispersion of 0.5 microns. In this case, injection or evaporation of the aerosol into the volume is not allowed, because it is necessary to maintain a constant pressure and temperature. In agriculture, when creating modern greenhouse complexes, liquid aerosol is actively used to obtain the necessary atmospheric humidity. At the same time, the use of aerosol with a droplet diameter of more than 300.40 microns is unacceptable, since large liquid drops settled on the leaf surface. Under the condition of powerful artificial greenhouse lighting, turn into optical focusing systems and damage the leaves, burning them. Therefore, liquid spraying devices are subject to both requirements to ensure the required dispersion, performance and shape of the aerosol torch, and the requirements of high-speed electronic control. To solve these problems, devices with ultrasonic method of liquid atomization in a thin layer are relevant, since they do not require additional devices for compression and supply of liquid or air. Able to create close to a monodisperse aerosol, as well as the desired shape of the liquid torch, the presence of disinfection and activation of sprayed liquids. Possibility of electronic regulation of spray productivity, non-clogging. The use of ultrasonic sprayers in various industries, and especially their adaptation to the required characteristics, is quite promising today. The main competitors for us are China Ultrasonic Spray Nozzle Manufacturer Factory, Lechler GmbH and others. However, we have a number of advantages, namely, ensuring the required dispersion, ensuring the required performance, the required shape of the aerosol torch, reliability and durability of the system, the possibility of fast electronic control. Our marketing strategy consists of the following steps: production of ultrasonic sprayers, sale of equipment to consumers, equipment rental, equipment repair, entering the international market, attracting customers through advertising on thematic resources, sales through a dealer network. To minimize the risks of investors, financial forecasts and key indicators are provided. Currently, we are received a patent of Ukraine for the invention, experimental samples are made, laboratory studies have been carried out, preparation for serial production is underway. As an example, we present you a finished device of one of the implemented projects, where you can clearly see how the devices we offer work. Our team, under the leadership of Alexander Lugovsky, is friendly, young, energetic and ambitious, which allows us to quickly and efficiently implement complex tasks and ideas for many years. We offer launch of pilot production and organization of dealer network, creation of a joint venture for the manufacture and maintenance of devices. And most importantly, we are looking for partners to create a marketing strategy. Thank you for your attention.